Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Happy Sunday to you all over the world. As we share this short but important message to all of you, I want to kick off 2026 strong, and 2025 ended incredibly strong. From what I saw, we had the largest number of people that made $5,000 or more in the Wealth Charts platform through their various trading activities, like prop trading and things of that nature. It was just a phenomenal month, and seeing the successes, I'm seeing what people are doing. We're moving in the right direction, and we've got some very, very, very big things taking place and big announcements coming out this week, and I want you guys to be a part of it. So let's talk about a few things. Number one, you recall January 4th, I did a video for you featuring, amongst other things, swing trading here and using powerful tools inside of Wealth Charts like Wealth Scanner. Well, you can see some of the different types of things that were featured during that video. Right now, remember, this was back on January 4th. Well, then you take a look here. Let me just put that back down. And here we are now today. Some of those same exact instruments are right here, front and center, all over again, right? In fact, this was back when that video was shot, and look what happened since then, right? All using these strategies that I teach you on the Wealth 365 summits, and with some big announcements. Boy, that's going to all change on its head here into 2026. So stay tuned for that. But so here we are. We're still back from November. We've been below on the NASDAQ here, below this all-important area, and we keep getting these negative divergences. So what's happening? We try to push back up. We can't break that level. We can't break the divergence here, and down it comes back, right? So the last couple of days, we've been basically making these IRBs, these inventory retracement bars. We end up having another one going into Friday here. So how do we trade this? What do we do with it? That's what this is all about. A lot more people have been figuring that out through the special trainings, and that was just at the Wealth 365 summits. Well, again, that's all about to go ahead and change. But let's take a look at this. Inside of Wealth Charts here, of course, we got the Wealth Tracker Pro, and you can see what people are doing here. Let's take a look at like one of the top trades here. So, person went ahead and we went short side here with the champion trend, champion cross here. Went short. We ended up getting all sorts of wealth signals. And where do those come in here? The beginning of trends, breakout forecasters. That means even after a pullback, we expect lower lows. Range breakers come in the middle of moves. And look what happened, right? All the way down there. Beautiful trading. Well, so how do we identify these things? Well, that's exactly what we're going to be teaching. In fact, I got a special 2-hour class tomorrow. Ziad's going to be speaking right before me. And of course, we got legendary, godfather of technical analysis kicking off Monday morning. Ralph Akampora got a great presentation for our swing and options traders like for the CBOE and that. We got Ziad speaking. I'm speaking for a special 2-hour event. It's just going to be a phenomenal all-day Monday kickoff here. And a whole bunch of new announcements are going to be made that are going to directly affect you for 2026. But as we want you to see the same things that other people are going ahead and seeing, okay? So we're going to go through all this, whether it's your swing trading activities, whether it's your active day trading, whether you're doing prop trading, you're doing futures trading, whatever you're doing, even if you're focusing on short-term options, we're going to be hitting all these different things because people need to know how to trade this activity, what to see, so it's not just a bunch of gibberish. It's actually something meaningful for you that other people have gone ahead and figured out, right? So with all that being said, go to wealth365.com/BBT. Wealth365.com/BBT. Again, there's going to be lots of day trading of futures, whether you're prop or real money trading there, whether you've got the swing trading of stocks, options, everything in between. Massive announcements that are going to directly impact you here in 2026. So I am super excited to see all of you here at tomorrow's events. I think Ziad speaks, I think, at 11 a.m. Eastern. I speak at 12 to 2 p.m. Eastern. And of course, Ralph Akampora is going to go ahead and speak there at 9 a.m. But of course, we start doing prizes even earlier than that. So it's going to kick off a big week-long 6-day event, but this one is super special. And so when I say it, you need to be there and listen into what's happening. So because it's directly going to affect you here in 2026. So super exciting. Happy to go ahead and have you with me. Thanks for being the world's greatest student family, and stay tuned for the big announcements tomorrow morning. Take care, everyone. I'll see you there again. Wealth365.com/BBT. Bring your favorite questions. Again, I'm getting multiple 2-hour segments on this show because we saw the impact of the October show, and this show is going to take things to a whole new level, as you're about to see. So we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Sunday here. Bye-bye for now.